Alright peeps, somewhere totally different today. This is, if you've watched any of the previous videos, this is where you kind of come up from the Sultans and turn left and just keep walking right all the way up the wee dirt path that takes you to Bowling Harbour. So that's where we're for just now. And she's absolutely loving it. See all just the smells and shrubs, plants, nettles. Don't know, dogs mustn't be able to get stung by nettles because she's always sniffing them and it doesn't seem to do anything to her. It's my head here, look. There you go, she's doing her second poo. Already got one, look. I put that phone in my pocket to deal with that poo that she did, and I totally forgot that we were recording. So here we have Bowling Harbour. It's lots of wee businesses and stuff, and this is the harbour itself. But I should have shown you the walk. Beautiful walk down and around all that. We'll do it again. Really peaceful, lots of birds cheeping and chirping. Look at the wee rabbits here. Should be thinking that's Bella. What is it? What is it? Did you see? What was it? Here, it's here. In there. Where are they? Out in there. Smell them. Here, come here. To watch she doesn't try and go under that gate. Where are they? Where'd they go? Are they hiding? I keep saying I'm going to get my gimbal out and I forget. That's been painted. That was orange the last time I seen it. Come on. I'm not going to say there's lots of boats, but there's boats. So what happens is this stretch of water is connected to the harbour, or the canal there you can see up there. And the canal is the Forth and Clyde Canal that goes from here in Bowling all the way through into Edinburgh city centre. And there again, you should know this one because this is ducks. What do you see? What do you see, Marley? What is it? Up you go. Go on. What is it? Go on. Up you go. What's that? What is it? The river's so still today. So still. Look at it. Just sitting there. Really peaceful. So as I say, that's the canal, and it goes all the way through to Edinburgh, and of course that's the River Clyde. So for anybody who doesn't know, there's the Erskine Bridge that we normally walk under, so it just shows you the distance. We're not that far away from it. You can walk up there in about 15 minutes. And this is where somebody lives. Permanent house. Boat house. Seahorse. And what time of the day is it? It's time I need to get back up the boat. Anyway, this is Bowling Harbour. You can go all the way around there. There's much more to see. We'll do that another day. Come on, Marley. She's chasing birds. Come on. She's having a good time anyway. She's all go. This is the Marley playlist. Wee chocolate brown, working Scottish Cocker Spaniel. Here, cheeky. Oh, she's not. Here, this way. Oh. Hey, can I split the pole? Look at you. Look at this. Can he split the pole? Come on. Come on. Back the way around. Come on. See if she gets it. Come on. Come on. Come on. On this way. Come on. Stupid idiot. Oh. Right, come on this way. I think I maybe banged her against that. Come on. Don't be doing that again, you silly idiot. Silly sausage. You having fun? Big tongue hanging out. So there was probably 10 rabbits there, all the wee young. Big rabbits. Wee tiny ones that were probably the size of, just about bigger than the size of your hand. Jumping through into the rough there. Listen, she wouldn't know what to do, she just wants to play with them. That's like, when you watch the videos of her and Bella at the house, they just sit and sniff each other, and it's quite interesting and exciting and enjoyable. Oh, there's a wee dog coming to see us. There we go. Oh, keep going. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, you've had your say. Come on. Cheers. This way. This is the front end of the harbour. This is Magic Cycles. You do all the bicycles in the area. Maintain them, fix them, repair them, sell them. Big shop. And you've got in here, I like that there wee glass staircase. You've got in there, you've got the Patton's place, which is a wee coffee shop place, parcels. And then the Beehive's like a wee community kind of council initiative. It's all been newly done up, all this. It's beautiful. So I think I'm just going to walk straight along the canal here now. You're getting to see a bit of the canal, eh? This is the very start of the 4th and Clyde Canal. Look it up. Right, stand on. Let's biker by. Right. Right, let's go. So there's bikes. People walking their dogs, people running, walking. It's a busy wee canal, so you just have to keep your wits about you and listen for people. So I'm gonna go because my arm's stiff and sore holding this up. I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, Marley? Marley, say bye bye. Hey, come here. Say bye bye. Here, come here. Say bye bye. Hey, camera shy. She's just raring to get going again. We're going that way, Daddy. Right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. It's another successful Marley walk done.